Okay, I love this because it looks like you're sitting on the table, but you're not.
And I've grown.
Which is quite funny. Now, we have here some extremely good value stuff. And what I like about this is you can actually clip in thermal vest into this from Held. You can clip in the airbag vest into this as well. So it's very, very functional, multifunctional, whatever you like to call it. We've got the Baxley jacket and the Baxley trousers here.
Baxley top, Baxley base.
Tell us about it.
Right, so basically what Held have done for 2020 is they've brought out a range of products which suits everybody's price points. So basically, we don't call it entry level, we call it, you know, reasonably priced product. But if it was against anybody else's product, you'd think it'd be more money. All right, so the Baxley top, you can put a waterproof membrane in it if you wanted extra waterproofing, but it's got a Z liner in it anyway. It's got a thermal, you can put thermal in it, you can put an airbag in it. It comes in 3 different colours. It's absolutely bang on. You can actually fit 2-piece chest protector in there. You see the little blue clips on the side there, Stan?
Yes.
Right, that's what you clip the stuff in with. Smooth ways armour, so you haven't got to worry about sticking it somewhere cooler and then putting it on and not being able to move your arms, because basically you've got manoeuvrability straight away. You can put a back protector in it if you don't want to put an air vest in it. Absolutely mint. Heroes Tech 500 material. Bright colours. Let's be honest, Held have never done anything this bright before. Absolutely mint, man. $131.99 on the jacket. Pants come in black only. But they've got a great design on the side. They've got obviously this new kind of distressed out, kind of funky logo. Big massive zips on the trousers, so if you've got a higher boot, you can get it in through the gusset at the bottom, through here. Big length on there. Smooth ways armour in the knee. Even anti-slip panels on the bum stand on a pair of trousers that's $122.99. Can't go wrong with that.
So that's a complete outfit for well under £300.
Yeah, exactly. And it's guaranteed for 2 years, waterproof. Stitching, zips, Velcro, all of the toys, mate. It's guaranteed.
That you can add to with extra thermal layers that you can clip in. Fantastic.
Can't go wrong, mate.
What's it called again?
Baxley top and base.